One of the best ways I found is to take your reference photo and use any photo editor or just your phone and brighten it up, brighten the exposure and saturation or vibrancy. It's going to make it much better to work with. For this one, the Ensenada, Mexico coastline, the picture already had cool tones to it, but then when you saturate it and brighten it, you can see the purples, the turquoise, and everything else a lot more clearly. Another really cool thing I discovered is to go on your app store or even on Photoshop or another program you have and just mess with the filters, the artistic ones. You can do lots of different effects. You can play with things, play with color, play with the way that the entire thing looks. Just don't do as I do and forget to cancel your free trials. Usually, I am not a proponent of tech or AI in art, but we have to know that there's some really cool uses for it. This one, Waterlog, the cute little whale symbol in the App Store and iOS, is so great for helping you envision what watercolor could and should look like in your painting. I have another one about moving from acrylic to watercolor, and this app really helps you. You can run it through different watercolor types of filters, and then from 4 to 12, you can strengthen the effect and see kind of what you might want to plan out on your page. On Waterlog, one of my favorite effects is to use vibrant and then natural. There's a vibrant and bold, but I really like how it looks with the vibrant and natural. Another thing I've tried that's really working out for me is to pick three primary colors that are on the brighter side or really, really strong, saturated, and then use all of your colors within that painting from those three, limiting yourself to those three. And I did these two color wheels for these two paintings, and it came out really well. I'm not kidding. It's not easy to do, but it really does make a difference. And it's more harmonious because all of your colors have come from like the three mother colors. So it works out really well. Let loose and think about how this place in the picture, if you've been there, makes you feel the sights, sounds, tastes, textures, smells. Have fun, guys.